Hey guys, welcome back to the layout. Today I'm just doing a short update video to cover some of the things that I haven't really gotten to. First of all, we have this new section of track here, and obviously since that track is a little different than the layout of the old one, some of the town has moved around a bit. Some recent projects that we've been working on for Locomotives includes the full operational restoration of this Pennsylvania Mikado that we have. It does not currently have a number because the decals were so faded. Next one, we actually finally finished the couplers on the Seaboard E8s that we have. And just to the right of those, you could see the new Amtrak Genesis. That, I believe, is a Phase 3? P42DC or P40DC? Not sure exactly. Going back over to the roundhouse, we actually finished fixing up this D&H number 803. It is an SD45. Now, a locomotive that might have been in the background of some of my shorts but not really mentioned is this nickel plate number 534, which is actually a direct relative of the nickel plate 514 at Steamtown. Next up is 3 new Norfolk Southern AccuRail boxcars, sitting right back there. And the final thing that I have to talk about is this new DCC with sound Norfolk Southern SD50 number 6506. That's all. Please like and subscribe, comment any questions that you may have. Have a good day.